In this video, I'll show you how to create a cart upsell in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo site and I'm currently selling this book, and to accompany this book I've got the audio version of this book. So whenever someone purchases this book, we want to upsell them on the audio version. So I'll quickly add this to cart and I'll show you what we'll be creating throughout this video. Okay, so I've added my book to my basket, and here in our mini cart area we can see our book's been added fine, and in here we've got the option to upgrade to the audio version for this amount, and then we can go ahead and accept this offer, or we can continue to the checkout page. Okay, so what we've done is we've overrid the cart page. Instead we've opted for this mini cart page, okay, because it's a lot more streamlined and more user friendly as well. So if you want to create a similar version on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to wcsuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin by WC Suite. Once you've done so, we'll head over to our dashboard. Okay, so assuming you've downloaded that plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload the plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Click activate. Once you've entered in your key, it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section, and then from here we can just scroll down and just make sure we enable the all-in-one checkout plugin, including the pro version as well. Okay, so with that out of the way, we'll go ahead and create our products. So I'll just quickly show you how I've created my products, and then we'll go ahead and configure our upsell. Okay, so let's navigate to products. Okay, and then currently we've got our book. So this is our main product, and then this is the product that we're going to upsell customers on. Okay, we've just added our name, description, image, price, and then category. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and configure our mini cart area, and then we'll create our upsell. So let's navigate to WooSuite and then all-in-one checkout, AIO for all-in-one checkout. Okay, then we'll click on the mini cart. We just want to make sure we enable this. Okay, and then we can choose where we want the mini cart area to be located. So we can show it at the bottom left or bottom right. Okay, I've put mine to the left, and then we've got a few options. So we can hide our mini cart option here when the cart's empty. It makes sense. And then here we've got the option to enable our order bump. Okay, so we want to enable this option, and we can enable our coupon field as well. So it's totally up to you. If you're going to replace your cart page, then it kind of makes sense to allow customers to add their coupon directly within a mini cart area. Okay, then we get to choose where we want to display our upsell, so we can show it at the bottom or at the top of the mini cart. Okay, so the top or the bottom of the mini cart. Okay, and then here we can add the text that customers will see. So I'll just quickly show you. It's this headline here. Okay, we get to customize this headline here. Show discounted order bump price. So again, with this option, so when we create our order bump, we've got an option to add additional discounts on it. Okay, but what you can do here, you can leave this option unchecked, so the customer will see the upsell for the full price. So in the case that they ignore the upsell, when they reach the checkout page, we can show them the same upsell, but this time with a discounted price. So it's totally up to you. Okay, and then here it says allow customers to basically add the upsell directly within the mini cart. Yes, you want to make sure you enable this option. Free shipping progress bar. I've created another video showing you how to configure this, so I'll leave a link in the description below. Automatically open our mini cart after a customer's added a new item. Yes, enable this option. And then we've got this option to override our default cart page with our mini cart area. Okay, I'll just quickly show you how to achieve this. So let's just head over to our page here, and all we have to do is we just right click our cart page or icon, click inspect, and then we're just looking for a class or ID to override it. Okay, so if I click on here we've got this class name which says cart-contents, so we can use this, so we can copy this. Okay, so if it's a class, we'll add a period before it, and if it's a ID, we'll add a hash before it. Okay, so for example, this is an ID. As you can see, it says ID equals, and then this is a class, right, because it says class here. So let's go ahead and well, I've already got it pasted in here, but I've just added a period, then basically just a class name. Okay, so we just hit save changes. You can go ahead and further customize the mini cart as you like. So for example, if we scroll down here, you can tailor every single color on the cart page so it can match in with your theme and branding. Okay, but we're going to ignore that for now. We just want to hit save changes. Okay, and with that out of the way, we can go ahead and start to configure our upsell. Okay, so we'll click on order bump. In the future, this will be called campaigns because we do allow you to add much more than order bumps as well. Okay, as you'll see in our latest videos as well. Okay, so in your case, you just click add order bump here. So it'll look like this. You'll just enter in the campaign name and then just click add order bump. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and edit this one, which I've already created. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click add product here, and then you can add the product that you want to upsell customers on. Okay, so I've already added this audio version here, and this is what I mean. We can add additional discount. So we can see the price is £49. We can add a percentage discount or a fixed discount, okay, based on the sale price or the regular price. I'm not adding any discount to this particular offer, so we'll just leave it as it is for now. And then for the behavior, we can add the upsell to their cart, or we can choose to replace it with an item that's already in their basket. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to add it to cart. And then for the checkout page, so this display position here is referring to the checkout page. Okay, so on the checkout page, we can show our upsell below the order summary, above it, below the payment gateway, above the payment gateway, and above the checkout form. Okay, and then finally, we've got our rule priority here. So in the event that our customer matches multiple different rules, the rule with the highest priority will trigger for that customer. Okay, so let's navigate to design, and then here we can customize our copy. Okay, so we've got our title here, and if you use this short code, this title short code, it will basically display the name of the product. And we can add some description, which is here, and then we can add our call to action, which is here, and then we can choose whether we want to display the product image or not, and we can choose the order bump style as well. There'll be more designs coming in the future. Then finally, we can head over to conditions, and currently I've got no condition set, so my rule will trigger for everyone. Really, you don't really want to do this unless it's a popular product that goes well with pretty much everything that a customer's purchasing. Ideally, I'd select based on a cart category, so it's totally up to you how you want to segment this. But in my case, I'm going to say whenever a customer purchases a product from our book category, then we want to show them this upsell. Okay, so then we can just hit save, and then we can exit off. Okay, so we've configured our cart page, and we've also configured our upsell. So let's go ahead and test everything out. So first, let's actually remove this from our basket. Okay, so that's removed fine. So now let's go ahead and add it again. Okay, in here we can see our upsells triggering just fine. Okay, and that's a quick and simple way to create a cart upsell in your WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box below, or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.